we would like to give a special thanks to MGA for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at LOL Surprise, #Hair Goals, and Bling Series. Aw, these look like ornaments. This Bling Series has 7 surprises inside. The first one is a clue. Light bulb plus up. Light up? Let's just take a quick peek. Glow up. The second one is a set of stickers. I wonder which water surprise we'll get. You glow, girl. All about the bling. 2 surprises down, 5 to go. The whole ball is wrapped in plastic. We have a clear side and a pink side. So let's just remove the plastic and open it up. There is white tissue paper with pink stars wrapped around several small silver packages. 5 to be exact. There are also instructions and a collector's guide listing all of the cuties in the collection, including their availability. And it looks like there is a Sugar Queen that is rare and a Splash Queen that is ultra rare. On the back, there is a cute little poster. Wait a minute, I miscounted. We have 6 silver packages in this LOL Surprise Ball. Let's open them up to see what is inside. Did I lose it? Maybe it's on the other one. There it is. It looks like a bracelet. In bag number 2, we have a pair of sunglasses. They have gold glitter at the top. I always take a peek at the collector's guide, so I think I know which one this is. In bag number 3, we have little tiny shoes covered in black glitter. This is our bottle, which is gold and pink glitter. This must be the outfit, and it's gonna tell us a lot about who our LOL Surprise is. A camo top and gold glitter bottoms means that this has to be Honey Bun. She has glitter in her hair, large gold glitter earrings. There is glitter everywhere, even her eyes. I had to be really careful not to chip off the glitter when putting her clothes on, and I wasn't completely successful. I use a paintbrush to remove some of the excess glitter from her face. So our girl is ready to shine. You can display them inside of the ball so you can have your very own LOL Surprise ornament, or place them on a shelf and never worry about dusting. Let's see who is in this one. Say hello to Posh. She wears pink and black with little touches of white. Her legs are white to look like stockings. She has a pink glitter hat, glitter eyes, and glittery brown hair. And of course, she has a bottle to match, giving us 2 new girls to add to our collection. Speaking of adding to our collection, let's take a look at LOL Surprise #Hair Goals. There are 15 surprises inside, including real hair. These are a part of the makeover series, and our first surprise is that we get to unwrap another layer. Just joking, I see 2 sets of stickers right here on the side. So pull the zipper. For our clue, Messy Bun, this looks like a mirror or a decoder, stickers, and instructions. The container looks like a can of hairspray and says hairspray extra hold. Open it up, remove the paper, and I think that is our doll. Here's the collector's guide showing all of the dolls in the series. 6 are popular, 3 are fancy, 2 rare, and 1 ultra rare. Before we get to the doll, let's see what's in the top. This is a foot holder so we can turn the cap into a stand, place the chain onto the spray bottle so you can easily take it wherever you go. The doll is encased, so we can't see what it is just yet. First, let's open some of the other surprises. This feels like something small, probably an accessory. Yeah, a little necklace. Our other surprise is a pair of shoes, and they are green. I think I know who this is. No, don't get too excited. Just keep going. There are 2 rollers inside. Take off the outside cover, and I believe there is something inside because I can hear it. Yep, a comb. In the other roller, we have a black and white bottle with a little touch of green. Okay, I'm totally convinced I know who this is now. Let's remove this to see a little outfit that is painted onto the body. Under this mask, we have the ultra rare Baddie. She has green and black hair that is perfectly styled. I'm gonna say there's not a hair out of place on this head. There is a nice amount of product keeping it in place. Those curls are pretty firm. I do believe I am missing some accessories. Oh, there they are, hidden in the top of the spray can. And I believe this is her outfit that says bad. With these dolls, you have to be careful not to get their hair wet. So we're gonna let her chill in the freezer for a few seconds to see her color change surprise. And it looks like she turns green. The color fades fast because it's pretty warm in here. Remove the top of the spray can and a disc from the bottom to make a chair where the doll can chill with her bottle. And this is not a mirror or a decoder. It is a filter that you can use with your cell phone to add a little shimmer to your pics. Let's see who's in this one. This time, our hairspray can is pink. Pixie cut is the clue. We have different stickers. Inside, our doll is the popular Miss Jive, wearing a baby blue tuxedo, white shoes, and curls for days. And our last LOL surprise to join the party is, hopefully, it's a fancy one. And yes! The Fancy Daring Diva, with painted on silver stockings, pink and black shoes, and a cute little kitty cat outfit. She has purple hair, wears bangs, and has 2 knots on top. Hashtag hair goals! I really like the addition of hair to the LOL Surprise dolls. They have adorable styles for display. In fact, I am not going to touch their hair. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Because I am sure if I attempt to restyle them, they will never look the same. And these girls gotta stay picture ready. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at hashtag hair goals and the Bling Series. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. I still can't believe we found the ultra rare. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.